Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to give you this walk around video around this T6.1 Transporter Highline campervan. This is built to our Pioneer Discover package, which includes as standard the rib bed with ISOFIX point, as well as the Eberspacher heater. This has actually got the 7-day controller function in this. The standard sink, hob, fridge, swivel. This is a tailgate model. Rib bed giving you all the boot space in the rear. The Discover coming with the Starry Night ceiling, as well as the sliding door table storage. The van has done 47,000 miles. It's 21 plate, full service history, bought it out from VW. It's got air conditioning, cruise control, it's adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay, front and rear sensors. We've also got heated front windscreen, powerful mirrors, LED headlights, and it's in Fortana Red. Thanks very much for watching.